Hi guys, this is the HardReset YouTube channel, and today I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on LG Q70 device. So first, to do that, we should open the settings app and tap to the sound section. Just then open the volume section and you'll see here ringtone volume panel. And just to change the ringtone volume, we should slide to the left or to the right side this dot on the ringtone volume panel, or also we can change it with the help of the volume buttons on the left side of our phone. But first, be sure that you just disable the volume keys to change the media. So this option, so turn off the switcher if it's turned on, and now just let's press up or down volume button just to change the ringtone volume. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.